Hey y'all, it's me, Queen number 2, Ella, and samahan niyo ako sa hair and makeup session ko here at SM City, Puerto Princesa. And syempre, greetings to the people who made this session success, Nanay Lilet, Mommy MJ, Kuya Von, Kuya Hernan, Nanay Renel, and syempre, Sir Tom Favela. At this moment, our first speaker was Kuya Von. He taught us how to confidently carry and take care for yourself before engaging sa hair and makeup. And also, he taught us na how to enjoy the moment. At this juncture, I am starting to do my makeup kasi tinuruan kami ni Nalililet kung ano ang pagkakasunod-sunod na makeup. And nagbigay rin siya ng mga tips kung anong gagawin especially if beginner ka pa. So ayan, eyeliner mo na ganyan, pack aura ka dyan. And here I am trying to do my hair. This is the hardest part, girl. Sobrang ngalay niya gawin. Pero okay lang kasi nagbigay si Nyrene yan ng mga tips kung paano mo padaling gawin ang hair mo. So, isa sa mga natutunan ko is that wag mo munang lagyan ng hairspray yung buhok mo para hindi siya mahirap suklayin. And ayan na nga ang kinalabasan ng aming workshop. So, I encourage you guys to please follow our page and support my journey. Thank you!